Let me show you how to solve this kind of math question on the board. We are given square root of 3x equal to x, and we are expected to find the value of x. If you want to solve this question, the first thing you need to do is to get rid of this square root sign. That's the first thing you need to do. Now the question is, how do you get rid of the square root sign? It's very simple. What you have to do is, you have to take the square of both sides. When you take the square of both sides, the square root sign will go out. So our first step is to take the square of both sides. Square this and also square this. When we do that, this power 2 here and this square root sign will cancel. And we are going to be left with 3x equal to x squared. The next thing to do is to move this 3x to this other side of the equation so that everything will be on one side. When we do that, nothing will be left here. So we can put 0 there. So that means here we are going to have 0 equal to x squared. If this 3x crosses to the side, it changes to negative 3x. To have negative 3x. Now, because 0 is equal to x squared minus 3x, we can rewrite it as x squared minus 3x equal to 0. You understand? So let us write this side. X squared minus 3x equal to this 0. The next thing to do is to factorize. Factorization means you should bring out what is common between these two. Now, what is common between these two? X is common. X is here and x is also here. So we bring out that x that is common. After that, we open the bracket. We have double x here. So if we take out one of it, we are going to be left with only x, right? Then put this minus sign. If we take out this x from this 3x, we are going to be left with only 3. Then we close the bracket, equal to 0. The next thing to do is to equate each of these to 0. So first of all, we are going to say x equal to 0. We have gotten one value for x, so x is equal to 0. Then the next thing to do is to equate this other one to 0. And when you are doing that, you have to write or. So we're going to write or. We say x minus 3 equal to 0. Now from this one, we can move this negative 3 to this side. And when we do that, we are going to be left with only x equal to, if this one crosses, it changes to positive 3. We can conclude by saying that x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. And this is the answer to this question.